Hello everyone, welcome back to our new lesson, and today we are going to talk about the wrong placement of the word just. That means sometimes we use the word just in our sentence wrongly, okay, in wrong place in our sentence. So let's get it done right now, okay. Just usually goes directly before or after something will be there. The main verb in a sentence. Okay, so before going to tell you that, I want you to look at these examples. I just have returned from a conference, and I have just returned from a conference. So you can see that same sentence, but different placement of the word just. Here just, and here just. Okay. So the rule is, so which one seems correct to you? First one? Great. Thumbs down. The rule is when your sentence has a main verb, just like this one, main verb, just should sit directly before it. So here's the main verb, and just should sit here. So what I should write is a word that is before. So once again, just usually goes directly before the main verb in a sentence. That's it. Well, that's not the end of the story. There is something more we should learn. But if the main verb is am, is, or, was, or, that means what if your sentence doesn't have any main verb? What if your sentence has am, is, or, was, were? What would you do then? Well, if that happens, you will put the word just after it. So look at these examples. There is just one method that might work, and there just is one method. So it's very clear and apparent that it is incorrect. Second one is very much incorrect, and this is incorrect. Okay. So you can see the calling of the caller at mosque. Anyway, that's all about the word just. I hope you understood the lesson, and if you did, just hit the thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to your YouTube channel, EngVlog. Take care. Bye-bye.